Precious Ara Competente. Second platoon leader girls, Kathleen R. Sandrino. Second platoon leader boys, School Head Melvin S. Meneses. CTP MAPE Facilitator Mary Irish Ragrario. Majorette Coordinator Roda P. Villafuerte. DBCDLC Coordinator Fund Director Shirley Lacumas and K. Francis Atanante. Thank you very much. That was entry number 3, Bato National High School from San Vicente, Bato, Camarines Sur.